Hey geeks, this is Animal Print Geek here with Accessory Geeks, bringing you another product review for the Universal Portable Cell Phone Silicone Suction Ball Stand Holder in blue. This is actually a suction ball that's going to go onto the back of your touchscreen devices, and you're going to go ahead and watch movies, listen to your music, or watch a picture slideshow. It does hold up the device like so, so you just put it on the back of your device and, use it, watch movies, or things of that nature. It is a suction ball, so you will have to go ahead and push into the phone to go ahead and suction cup it, and then go ahead and set the phone up, however how you want to stand up, vertical or horizontal. This is a portable cell phone holder, easy to use. It is sturdy section, so it is pretty, it's not going to fall, your phone's not going to break or anything like that. It is small and pocket size, so you can actually take it with you on the go, whether you throw it into your backpack, purse, briefcase, or pocket. It is small and pocket size. It's available in multicolors and works best on the crystal silicone cases, glossy plastic cases, or the phone/device itself. It still will work on on the rubberized surface as well. It will not work if the surface is uneven. So you definitely want to make sure that you are using a level surface to go ahead and place up the item. Again, it is compatible for all phones and devices with a smooth back, such as the iPhone, BlackBerry, Samsung's, HTC. And again, it will not work on any uneven surfaces. Definitely would recommend this for anybody who, your kids watch a lot of movies. You don't want your kids' fingers all over your screen. Definitely have a suction ball so you can go ahead and hold the item up while they're watching a movie, show, or listening to music. Universal, if you have any questions regarding the Universal Portable Cell Phone Silicone Suction Ball Stand Holder in blue, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Our customer support lines are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And there's always free shipping to the US and Canada. Thanks for watching. This has been Animal Print Geek, and remember, you got it from a geek.